Good morning! Time check and day check, December 30. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. Papasok tayo sa trabaho. Woo! This is the 5th day. Tomorrow is my 6th day. And tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Medyo maganda ang sinag ng araw today. There's warmth. Hindi siya ganun kalamig versus kahapon na makulimlim at mahangin. So come join me today. We are riding to work. Nilabas natin sa baol itong Arai Tour Cross 5. Tagal-tagal ko na palang hindi nagagamit tong helmet na to. Hindi natin alam kung yung audio nito is gonna be okay. Sana, good. Pero for sure hindi ito maganda sa freeway. Just past 12 o'clock dyan sa Pilipinas. Ano kayang ginagawa nyo? Bisperas na dyan ng New Year. Marami na ba nagpapaputok? Illegal na ba sa Pilipinas yung fireworks? Dati nung bata ako, sobrang anticipation dyan sa New Year. May mga kapitbahay kami na talagang nagwawaldas ng pera sa mga fireworks. Sentro ni Judas, mga ganong shit. Kami lucis lang tsaka quitis. Actually malakas ang quitis eh. Lucis, ano pa ba yung mga ano, yung mga ibang fireworks sa atin na maliliit lang. May mga Lolo Thunder pa, may Plapla. Watusi. Nakakasilaw, sana pala nag-shades ako. Walang tint yung ating visor. Pero good to mamayang gabi kasi madilim na agad. Ayan, I'm sure yung wind noise na ito medyo malakas na. Pero subukan pa rin natin magsalita-salita para mag-gauge natin sa editing mamayang gabi. Bike yata ito. Ang baba ng gear ratio niya, ang ingay, sumisigaw lang yung motor. Tsaka mga naka-stunt bar siya. Clear, clear. Clear, clear din. Malaking truck. Praw, praw, praw. Labo ng park ni George eh. Wala sa sentro eh. Hindi, wala rin tayo sa sentro. Alright, ayusin natin yung parking. And we're at work. Alright, tuloy natin to tonight. Trabaho muna tayo. We'll see you guys later. Thank you for coming.
Bye, Georgie. Alright. Go left because they closed this.
Damn, we left that late?
Oh, it's 6:20.
Don't follow me.
Don't said follow me. We only heard follow me.
Oh,
We didn't hear the don't. A lot of people are coming in from LA, dog.
Yeah.
Last night was massive. I mean, we're expecting 400,000. Yeah. We're expecting 400,000 of work. Half of, I think we're already half of it, you know? It's chilly, huh? 53 degrees without the sun. Yeah.
It's cold.
Tomorrow is even colder. Are you guys riding?
I don't know. Mark, are you riding?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Well, I'm only thinking of the traffic tomorrow when we go home.
That
because
too.
we have-
Yeah, that's what
we
I'm
have
saying.
Customers. Yeah, we have customers at 4 o'clock and you know they close the ship, so
Yeah.
Alright, tomorrow.
You gonna ride the R1 tomorrow, George?
it's too cold.
You.
Fucking pussy. I caught up to my mom yesterday at MLK.
Yeah.
She took a video of me. She's like, why are you going 50 on a 35? I was like, why are you taking your videos while driving?
Plus, how did you know I was doing 50?
You know, a mom will always be a mom.
Yeah.
I told her, you're lucky you only saw 50.
Alright,
Yes, I'm gonna go to
Georgino.
Supra.
Killer Georgie.
Thank you for tonight. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Mañana, brother.
Nakailaw yung gas mo?
Okay lang yung gas ko? Hindi.
Oo.
Meron pa akong 4 bars. Bukas yan, iilaw na yan. Siguro bukas na rin akong papagas. Pero yung Type R kasi empty rin eh. Shit!
Yung pura niya rin, puta eh. At least nahugasan na sa kanina.
Hindi ko na anticipate yung ano. Bigla na lang dumating yung bagong taon.
Ang bilis eh. Sarap ni BSR, Japan siya.
Oo nga eh.
Japan.
So far ang sinabi niya, ang alis niya ng Amerika, ay ng Pilipinas, March 2.
Okay.
Pero dediretso siya ng Arkansas.
Okay.
Tapos Alaska na agad. Makakabisita raw siya sa atin, baka sa May pa.
Hindi ko April, kanina ng February.
Pero at least, you know, maganda nga yung ano. I mean,
Pwede pa naman mag-ride ng May eh.
okay pa yung May. Oh. Yun yung huli nating Vespa eh. So,
Oo, okay. Ingat.
ano, mañana. Thank you.
Group connection lost.
Alright, another night is done, another day. Umabot din tayo. Tomorrow is gonna be my 6th day and tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Pero bukas ng umaga, papasok namin. Mag-New Year na sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas. Kaya happy New Year guys. Sa mga nanonood, maligayang bagong taon sa inyo. Sana ay mas maginhawa at mas masaya at mas prosperous ang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Again, happy New Year to everyone, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.